Around 63% of all boys, ages 11 to 20 who are arrested for murder, have killed the man who was assaulting their mother. The telegraph was invented because of heartbreak. When Samuel Morse left town to paint a portrait, his wife suddenly fell ill and died. Because it took days for him to find out she had been sick, he was so upset that he abandoned his art career and focused on developing a fast method for long distance communication. Belgians eat the most calories per person per day than any other country in the world at an average of 3,768 calories. Jefferson Davis disapproved of the assassination of Abraham Lincoln and believed it would make Reconstruction harder on the South than it otherwise would have been. I fear it will be disastrous for our people, he said. Beneath Uranus and Neptune's most outer layer is a gaseous atmosphere that contains 10 to 15% methane, CH. Combine that with the planet's incredible temperatures ranging from 3000 to 12,000 degrees Fahrenheit and pressures varying from 200 000 to 6 000 times that on Earth, and the atmosphere compresses the carbon atoms from the methane into diamonds that literally rain from the sky. The real life Winnie the Pooh was actually an orphan Canadian cub who was purchased by a soldier in WWII. 5 COVID dating trends, will they outlast the pandemic? 1 barrier talk to apocalypsing, 3 setting boundaries, 4 getting in your feelings, 5 testing vaccine talk. Pay more attention to your partner and less attention to your penis size. 90% of those living with HSV2 do not know that they are living with the virus. Aluminum is among the most recyclable materials, and discarded aluminum holds more value than other items in the recycling bin. Nearly 75% of all the aluminum that is produced in the US is still in use today. A man in China realized that the long handled object he had been using for 25 years to crack walnuts was a live hand grenade. A disorder called aphantasia, people with it cannot see images in their head. Many that have this disorder are completely unaware. A photo taken right before a tsunami struck the Southeast Asian coast in 2004. The Blue Hole, a 393-foot deep sinkhole on the southeast Sinai Peninsula, 5 miles north of Dahib, Egypt, is known as the Divers Cemetery. Estimates suggest that the site is responsible for as many as 200 fatalities in the recent years. Many divers have lost their lives while trying to swim under the arch. Percussive maintenance is the technical term for hitting something until it works. As a boy, so she had her only daughter mark a line on her neck. After she passed away, her daughter gave birth to a boy with a birthmark on the back of his neck. The iconic disaster meme girl turns 21 years old. Time flies. The Batman effect is a psychological phenomenon in which we adopt an alter ego as an extreme form of self distancing. It helps us to take a step back from our immediate feelings and see a situation more dispassionately. Experts say that it helps to reduce anxiety and boosts self control and perseverance. In 1879, cats were used to deliver mail in Belgium. It was unsuccessful. A 23-ton piece of a Chinese rocket will crash into Earth, but nobody knows where. Image credit Marcos Mrznuti, Tonovi Shutterstock.com. Keith Flint, the English singer and member of the band called The Prodigy, became a popular pub owner following his music career. He kept a jar at his pub, and customers were required to put a pound in it if they made a fire starter joke when they saw him lighting the pub's fire. Mice were exposed to heavy metal during a study to see how it affects them. Instead of completing the maze, they killed each other. The ghost ship Jenny was found, with the crew frozen solid. The captain's last entry is chilling. 4th May 1823. No food for 71 days. I am the only one left alive. No virtuous young lady could be alone with a man to whom she was not related. Not only should she be pure, she should be seen to be pure. Her sexual virtue had to appear unimpeachable, or she would be ruined on the marriage market. Historian Amanda Wickey. Sea otters usually keep their favorite rock in a skin pouch under their left arm. In 2001, when the space station Mir was set to return to Earth, Taco Bell set up a floating target in the Pacific Ocean, promising free tacos to everyone in the US if the space station hit it. Private Joker wouldn't have been allowed to keep those thin wire frames in boot camp. He'd have been issued birth control glasses. On 3rd October 1849, Edgar Allan Poe's doctor discovered him delirious, wearing a stranger's clothes, and in great distress. Poe could not explain where he'd been or what happened to him. 4 days later, he was dead. His cause of death is still a mystery. All the evidence only leads to more questions. Colorized picture of Nikola Tesla. This is how he looked in his old age and final days. Pirates probably didn't wear eye patches because of a missing eye. It's much more likely that they were keeping one eye ready to see in darkness so that they could adjust quickly when going below deck.